So hello guys, I decided to make a video of how to remove the door panel from Opel Insignia or Vauxhall Insignia 2017 to 2021 I think. So I decided to make the video because the problem is not to remove the part but to put it back on the door. To remove, you have to unclip this cover and unscrew I think it's 7mm or something. Yeah, 7mm screw. There is also two screws down here under the panel down here, so it's, yeah, these two, and two here at the bottom of the panel. You can see the holes. It's the same for the panel. You can see the hole in the panel. Those are the screws, and then you have to pry it out. Simply there are these standard clips around the part. The problem is to put it back together, because when you are removing it you are pushing up, and this water or window cover shield is removed with these clips, which are on these positions. You are unable to slide it back, so I decided the easy way is to remove those clips from the panel. You can just tap it and remove it forward, then put back the water strip or this strip on those, and then just to clip panel back on those points. There is enough room, so you will get your point. One more thing why I'm doing that is because this little fella, sorry, let me reach it. Yeah, this one goes into this hole, and when I'm playing some music it rattles inside, so I put some tape around the end, the plastic end at the bottom, so it's not visible, and then the rattles should stop. So this is the reason why I'm doing this, because it drives me crazy to hear that. So yeah, I hope it helps to someone. I was desperate during the installation back, and also at the end and at the beginning there are these plastic channels. Sorry, I have it upside down. These rubber channels, and you have to slightly remove this plastic to slide it on the metal. So yeah, this is it. See you.